Hey, and welcome to the Toadstead. Yeah, a little bit of solar upgrade and working on our construction trailer that we're actually living in while we're building our house. And I started doing this and realized, hey man, I should make a video about this. So here it is. This little pod mounts in the trailer where back in 1974 there was one cigarette lighter plug. Now the amperage on those is really high, so I'm not even worried about the wire. So what I did originally was I put this on-off switch, which I think is a Blue Sea product. I don't remember. And then the Anderson power poles. Now I'll try and remember to put the place where I get most of this stuff down in the description, but it's pretty straightforward. You know, the idea was I can put some decent amperage loads on the 12-volt system if I use the Anderson power plugs. Well, after a couple of years, never used them. So out with those. And what we're going to do is install a pair of these Blue Seas. Let me see if I can get them in the light so you can read it. See, Blue Sea system 1045 4.8 amp. These are pretty high, and they mount using the screws that are on the back, which I don't have out on the table, but you know, I'll just probably use these, and I think I left the other ones inside. But these are all pretty universal. I'll pull this one off, screw it on, and that's what holds it in, and I'll wire these together. And as soon as I get this close, I'll bring you back and show you the wiring. And there we go. You see I got a bunch of fittings and stuff out, but the important part is that you can see how they go in, and then these screws just hold the thing tight. And then what I made, the trailer's wiring is like this. There's the positive, there's the negative. And the wires are sticking out of the wall in the trailer right now. So I'm going to get this all hooked up and all tightened up, and then we'll take it inside. And just as a quick note, if you think you can wire these in series, jumper, and all that never works for me. So I just jump them here, big power to both, and we're all set to go. Let's get this part done now, and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we got her all wired up. And now we got to go inside and get her installed. Well, and there it is. And you can see it's kind of hard, it's kind of dark, but right here, that's a USB powered fan that goes and circulates the air. It works out perfect for us. That's an Apple product that's being plugged in, and this is the old location. If you look real close, you can see where the cutout wasn't quite covered, but that's where the old cigarette lighter used to be, because this area of the trailer is where the television was, and it's where another television is. So right now we have plenty of USB potential over here now. Outstanding. All right, well, thanks a lot for coming along, and we'll see you next time around.